to my channel. Now I'm going to shuffle cards for Scorpio. What will happen in Scorpio life from 15 to 22nd June? Three of Pentacles, Five of Swords, the Tower, Eight of Wands reverse. Two cards for overall reading. Let's see. Temperance and Ten of Wands. And the bottom of the deck, Three of Swords. Scorpio, Three of Pentacles, Five of Swords, the Tower, Eight of Wands reverse, Temperance, and Ten of Wands. I think you were involved in a third party. It can be your work, it can be your marriage, it can be your love relationship, it can be your friends, family, whatever. There were third party, there were people around you. You were interacted to some people in your life, and that things did not work well. It ended badly, or it ended not in a positive way. And some people maybe tried to hurt you intentionally or unintentionally, but things were not ended in a good way. And your plans were totally destroyed. Your plans were totally finished. You had some plans, you had some thoughts, you had some dreams regarding any matter of your life. It ended. Now you are trying to balance everything. You are trying to repent everything. You're trying to make things balance. And you know you are burdenized. You can't do it alone. You know you are tired. You are burdenized. You are not in a good position. You are mentally very, very upset. Let's see more. What else can happen in this week? King of Cups, the Imperial, Eight of Cups, and Queen of Wands. And the bottom of the deck, Ace of Cups. You know you do not have any other way. You just have to make everything perfect because you do not have another way. You cannot show to the world that you are upset. You cannot control situations. You have to control it. You are trying to be matured, and maybe you are trying to take help from your parents. You are taking their guidance, friends, somebody, or maybe you are so matured. You are so matured. Somebody is with you, but you are alone somewhere, and you are not happy. You want to say something to somebody, you want to talk with somebody, you want to offer someone something, and but you do not have any way. Let's get two more cards to clarify more. Four of Pentacles, Three of Cups, and Death. You are watching people around you who betrayed you badly, and you cannot do anything, you cannot say anything, and the third party is finished. There's some kind of matter. It can be love, it can be financial, it can be, but there was something ended, badly ended, and you want to say things to the people, you want to clarify it, but you cannot. The third party is ended, something ended, and it changed your life. It changed your life. Let's see one card for overall reading. Yeah, you are confused, you are upset, You are puzzled, and the bottom of the deck is justice. Whatever happened, it had to happen. This was the this was written in your destiny. This was written in your destiny. And justice has been done now. And now you have to think deeply that what happened, and why this happened to you. Okay, let's see the message of the week. The world, four of swords and nine of wands, and bottom of the deck we have four of cups. Messages for you, very interesting and very nice message. This is the world. It we have to go through up and downs in life till the end of our life, and the message is same, that this is the world, and you meet people. You sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, sometimes you meet good people, sometimes you meet bad people. Sometimes you have to hide yourself, sometimes you have to wait for someone, sometimes you have to stay quiet. So the message is that just wait for the good time and be peaceful and think what you are going to do, and think deeply before to accept any kind of offers from someone. This was the message for you, Scorpio. If you like the reading, please like and subscribe. Thank you.